Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more update. Then we are going to start a new video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing photo editing on Pixel Lab easily. Open a Pixel Lab, select a photo, remove the background color, adjust the photo, duplicate the photo, change the color of photo, select the color filter, select the opacity effect shadow enable button down, change the background color, select the image. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.